If you want to personalize your messages, you may want to change your default text styling. So if you just go with the default, it's this sans serif font, kind of like an Arial, and I think it's about 10 points and it's black. That's the default text. But you can also include a special default text styling. Maybe you want your text to be a little larger. Maybe you write to people who have vision problems. Maybe you want your text to be a certain color or a certain font. You can do that by enabling the default text styling lab. So if I go into my labs, I've already got this enabled. It's called default text styling. There it is, default text styling. So I've got this enabled. So you should enable this lab as well. Then, when you go into your General tab, you can set up your default text styling. And this is a preview of what it would look like. So maybe I want my messages to be in this Courier font. So it will be in Courier. And maybe I want the size to be large. And I want the color to be dark green. Maybe I want it to be bold too. So now this is my default text. I do need to save my changes. So I'll click Save Changes. Now, when I go to compose a new message, I'm typing with that default text. So that's great. Now, all of the messages I sent are in this Courier font, dark green, bold, and a larger size. However, you should remember if you're sending this to someone who's not using rich text or is maybe reading this on a mobile device, they will not see the special text formatting. So you should just be aware of that. If you decide that you want to go back to just the default text, go into your mail settings, go into the default text style area, click on this, which removes the formatting, and this starts you with a blank slate. So you can go back to the default text, or maybe all I want to do is change the font. I just want it to be narrow. And then save my changes down here, and now I've got a new default text.